Hi everybody, I'm Jim Cupo, one of the teachers at the Yoga Sanctuary. We're doing the 12 poses of Christmas, and my pose for today is Virabhadrasana 2, otherwise known as Warrior 2. So starting in a standing position with our hands on our hips, we're going to just take a nice wide step out. Our feet are facing forward, and we have feet are maybe about 3.5 feet distance apart from each other, otherwise a leg's distance. Some of you might not understand what that means, but if you were to take a measurement from the outside edge of your foot and run a measurement up the outside of your leg to where it comes right into your hip crease, your upper thigh crease, not your waist crease, but your thigh crease, it would be, my measurement is 35.5 inches. So we want to keep that 35.5 inches in between your feet on the floor. So with hands on hips, we're going to outer rotate our upper right thigh, and that causes your right foot to turn out. And then at the same time, we're going to kick that back heel away. We're keeping our waist nice and squared off, and hands are back on hips. And then on your next exhalation, we're going to bend our front knee. Just going to take that knee right over the ankle of that bent foot. We're just going to check in, take a little peek down there, make sure the knee's right over the ankle. If you see that your knee is extending further than your ankle, maybe we can walk our toes out a little bit. And otherwise, let's inhale, let's straighten that front knee. And then we're going to exhale. We want to keep a nice wide opening of the hips. We have the outside of our knee tracking towards the pinky side of your toe, the pinky side of your foot. And once we're here, on our next inhalation, let's raise our hands just about shoulder height. They don't have to come any higher than that, just nice and level. Fingers can be spread wide. And then we take an inhalation right here. And then as we exhale, our head turns to look right over the center finger of that front hand. And then we settle in here, we let our sit bones drop, a nice strong stance. And then let's take 1 or 2 more breaths. And then we can bring hands back to hips. We can inhale, straighten that front knee, and turn that foot in. Now let's turn the left foot out. Upper thigh rotation causes the foot to turn out, hips stay squared. We're going to kick that back heel away. Hips are still squared, hands are on hips. On your next exhalation, we're going to bend that other knee now. And we just check in with that, see how we're lining up. Make sure your knee is stacked right over the ankle of that bent foot. And everything looks good. And then let's inhale, let's straighten that front knee. And then let's exhale, we're going to bend that front knee again. Just check in one more time, everything looks good. Hips are squared. On your next inhalation, let's sweep hands up. Fingers still spread wide. Inhale. And then on your exhalation, your head turns to look over the center finger of your left hand. Now let's take 1 or 2 more breaths here. And then bringing our hands back to our hips, let's inhale and straighten that front knee, turn that foot in, and then we can heel toe until we come to a standing position.